Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to attach eyelets on a leather strap. These are tools which I'll be using to attach eyelets on a leather strap. These are 3 steps which I'll be following to attach eyelets on a leather strap. Now I will show you how to attach these metal eyelets on a leather. First I'll use these hole punching pliers to cut a hole in the middle of this leather strap there. So my punching setting is on 5mm, same as the eyelets. I'm placing my leather strap in the middle of the punching pliers there, and I'm squeezing those pliers together and I'm cutting a hole on my leather strap. Removing that excess leather out. So now I have a clear hole in the leather strap in the middle there. Next, I'm inserting this eyelet inside in that hole like that. Next, I will use these eyelet punching pliers. Both ends on these pliers look different. That one has a post in the middle there, and other side is flat. The flat side will go on top of the ring there. So I'm inserting my leather strap in between those 2 plier ends, and I'm squeezing those pliers quite hard so the eyelet gets fixed on properly. And this is the finished eyelet on a leather strap. Now I will attach another eyelet, repeating same instructions. Also, I can attach these metal eyelets on a card paper or cardboard using same instructions. Also, I can attach eyelets on the fabric. Instead of hole punching pliers, I'm using scissors to cut a hole, and I'm inserting my eyelet and fixing the eyelet on with eyelet punching pliers. If you have any questions how to attach eyelets, please comment down below in a comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time.